Hey friends, on this episode we're going to do a how to make salted caramel keto coffee. Super simple. First you're going to go ahead and brew some coffee. I simply just brewed some Starbucks coffee that I had in my pantry. Next I have, in terms of products that you're going to need also a frother. I do have one in the link in the bio. These are $10, well worth using a frother versus say an immersion blender. I had back in the day used this. Hello, I squirted my eye with scalding hot coffee. Don't do that, don't use an immersion blender. Get the frother, it's worth the $10 for this. Salted caramel, grass-fed ghee, coconut oil, and MCT oil. Y'all, for the keto diet to have 0 carbs, 0 sugar, I am pumped to do this video of how you at home can make some of this amazing salted caramel coffee at home in literally less than 90 seconds. So brew your coffee, have that done. Literally just pour your coffee in my mug cute. Thank you so much to Diana or to Cindy, whoever sent this to me. They send me mugs sometimes, which is very sweet. Thank you. So I have this, then I have a 20% off code. If you are interested in getting, it just got released on Amazon, it's Keto SC20. I will also put the link in the bio so you can use the affiliate link to order this. Order one now, because you're gonna love it, and order one for later so you can use that 20% off code. Literally, you're gonna shake your Omega Power Creamer. Get your workout in, get your shake on. You're gonna shake them. My future kids are gonna be like, what is she doing? Well, the 4-year-old boy is like, what is mama doing over here? You just wanna make sure at the bottom you have shaken, not stirred this. So literally, I'm gonna take a tablespoon in it. I'm simply just gonna pour a tablespoon in. I like a little bit of heavy cream in here. Again, this probably does break it, not probably, it breaks intermittent fasting if you are doing that because it does have the stevia in it. So have this during your eating window if you're an intermittent faster. And then simply we just take our frother, froth that together for like, I don't know, 15 to 30 seconds. It gets nice and beautifully frothed. Look, that's like a Starbucks drink without 50 grams of carbs, 50 grams of sugar. Literally, look at that, that's beautiful. Beautiful froth, and boom, boom. I've made my how to make my salted caramel keto coffee with, ooh, that tastes like caramel. If you are having that time of the month where you're like, I want something sweet, no guilt, no shame, no condemnation. Have something that doesn't have tons of sugar or tons of carbs in it. Omega Power Creamer makes amazing creamers. You have probably seen in my pantry, I have their pumpkin spice one. We talked about that in the fall. At Christmas, we talked about their mocha creamer they have. They have a creamer pretty much for every season. And why not this Valentine's Day, for your Valentine's Day gift, use the discounted code and use the link in my bio, Keto SC20 code for 20% off. I'm not sure if the frother is 20% off, but these packages, buy one for later also. You're going to love it. And it smells good. It smells like caramel, which makes me so happy. Any other, like I love caramel. I've been waiting my 2-3 years on keto and on low carb to have something like this. That I don't feel guilty about, I feel really good about. It smells like caramel, but there's no guilt associated with it. So I'm gonna go start my day, I'm gonna get my day going. I got my amazing caramel keto coffee drink. Thank you, Omega Power Creamer, and go check out the link in the bio and get that 20% off code. It's for a limited time. See you later, guys.